Bigfoot here, Bigfoot videos. So it's been a few days since I've been able to film. We had a sick kid in the hospital, so we're back in town and checking things out. And I noticed some interesting shapes and formations inside the hen house, inside this old tank where the pine shavings are. And I noticed we have an extra animal in here, Mr. Snake. So I'm gonna catch him and relocate him to where he can go eat rats and not my eggs or my chickens. Let's go ahead and get these here. Alright, so here we go. I'm just gonna kind of video a little bit, so I'll clip this and start another feed. Alright, see if I can't rake him out of there, grab him. I don't know if you can see him down in there. Lighting's not that great in here, but I should be able to get him out of here. Alright. See if I just scoop him. He looks like he's sleeping. Holy moly. Pretty good sized snake. See if you can get a good shot of him. He's definitely got some eggs in him. Yeah. You can see his belly right here. Look at him. So he's definitely reddish brown. He was eating some chicken eggs. So he's probably, I don't know how big he is. I'm 6 feet tall. So he's a 4-footer. He's got a couple eggs in him. But he didn't put up any kind of fight at all. So he's definitely full. So let me go see if the kids want to come see. All right, let's do another clip here in a second.